It's working, I promise. Oh, are you videoing this for the toy review?
Oh yeah, man.
Hey guys, welcome back again to yet another Rick and Morty pizza review. Today we're going to be at Blips and Chits, or as I like to call it, Blips and Shits. Gonna sprinkle some more cheese over here because it doesn't have any mini cheese, if you know what I mean. Anyway, we're gonna have to shoot the back of the box as you can see here. I have to put it on gas 6 for 10 to 12 minutes, or as I like to say, put it in the oven until it's brown. Slap that in. That's 6. Groovy. And now you should like edit the video until like the pizza's ready because
Okay.
yeah. Okay, just
Oh god.
God. Yeah. What is up, guys? We got the pizza. Here it is. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, boy.
This shit is lit.
Ooh.
Look at this. Ooh. It's burning my fingers. Ow. I'm getting old, you know. Anyway. Oh, we're just gonna get another vlog in here with Pokemon Go. There's some new Pokemon out, you know.
Oh god.
We're gonna check out one new Pokemon that I've caught. Right here, Natu. We're gonna see what noise he makes. I don't think this song was ever on Pokemon Go when I had it, but here we go.
Yeah.
We're gonna rename this Natu. We're gonna rename it Fuck Boy.
Oh yeah, boy.
There we go. It's gonna be one of my favourites. And we also have a fat shirt.
It's my man.
That's it for today. But like, guys, can we go for 1 trillion likes on this video? Actually, no, I have to be like one of those cool kids. Can we go for 1 like, please?
Damn.
Anyway, you know, this video isn't about you or me.
Oh, what's it about? A bit of self-harming.
It's about the pizza. And I'm not Izzy Turner, I don't think self-harm. Please do not roast me, Izzy T. I love you really, babe. Come on. Oh, baby.
Oh.
This shit is getting physical. If you ever want someone to come and cut your pizza, right, I'm the man for the job. And get some nice slices in there. Well, guys, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my best friends. He's in my heart. My nipple.
No.
My man's Zach Hines.
No,
I'd like you to all sub to him.
Same.
He's in my heart. He uploads some pretty bad content. So I'm joking, Zach. He uploads some amazing football videos. I don't watch any of his other videos apart from like his real life videos. Zach, please start a vlog channel. It would make my day if you started a vlog channel. Anyway, we need a thumbnail.
Oh boy, that's going as a thumbnail.
No way. No way. Tegan Duke liked my photo.
Damn.
Mate.
Oh.
You caught it, man. What are you doing? You can't be watching this. Please. Please, stop it. I'm naked. Anyway. We're going to end it there because this isn't a food review. This is a cooking review.
That's like every year.
we only do food reviews on a bench in the middle of nowhere.
True.
We do cooking reviews in my house because we can't cook it on a fucking bench. You guys, I love you all. And I'll speak to you in the next one.
Bye now.